Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. You must be knowing about skimmed milk. Today let us see how is it good for weight loss, its benefits with a healthy recipe. Let us start. Drinking skimmed milk for weight loss means use of milk free from fat compared to other types of milk available in the market. Almond milk, soy milk and skimmed milk are supposed to add all the nutrients but exclude fat. Among all the above, skimmed milk is the best fluid to drink to lose weight and is easily digestible, rich in taste and low in fat. Since milk forms an essential part of the daily diet, people get confused with so many varieties available. It makes you unable to decide the right type of milk suitable for weight loss. Unsweetened non-fat milk do miracles for weight loss as it is very hygienic and comes in packets. Now let us see the benefits of skimmed milk over other types of milk. Skimmed milk is far better than whole milk as it is low in calories and fat. It provides you with large number of vitamins and minerals with fewer calories. It is the most abundant source of calcium that supplies 300 mg per cup. It is rich in protein and calcium that helps in the protection of bones, teeth and muscles. Potassium in milk helps in the function of nerves and muscles and is vital for maintaining blood pressure. A large amount of magnesium helps in the proper functioning of heart and muscles and boosts the immune system. Skimmed milk is low in cholesterol, so it is advisable for people with high cholesterol and heart disease. Now let us see how skimmed milk is ideal for weight loss. Skimmed milk is good for weight loss as it is fat-free and it helps in losing the extra pounds. It is a packet of nutrients like calcium, vitamin A, B12, D and phosphorus that is good for cardiovascular diseases and weight loss regimen. Researchers prove that you have a feeling of fullness after drinking skimmed milk compared to any fruit drink due to its low calories. Besides, calcium also helps to reduce hunger and lose weight. Now let us prepare iced coffee using skimmed milk, which is healthy, low cost and diet friendly. It will help you avoid spending massive amounts going to the coffee shops and enjoy the same at home. Please note down the ingredients for the same. You need 3 cups skimmed milk, sugar or stevia optional, 1 tablespoon honey and a few iced coffee cubes. Now let us see the method. Firstly, prepare iced coffee cubes by adding instant coffee powder and sweetener to a little water and transferring it to ice tray. Freeze overnight to get iced coffee cubes. Add 5 iced coffee cubes to a glass or a tumbler. Pour 1 cup of skimmed milk over iced coffee cubes. Iced coffee is ready to drink. I hope you agree with me and henceforth include more of skimmed milk over other varieties available to remain healthy and free from diseases. Thank you.